but 79. Thereafter, we see that every year, even this year, our youngsters manage to score double centuries, even junior groups. आपने देखा होगा कि हमारे जो लड़के हैं इन्होंने ये ऐसे फ्लूक से नहीं हो गया कि हमने क्वालिफाई किया दिस क्वार्टर फाइनल. आप देख लीजिए हमारे लड़कों की परफॉर्मेंस क्या. इट हैज़ बीन अ कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस. और सबसे बड़ी बात है, जब भी कभी जो J&K की टीम जीतती थी, it would be taken as a surprise. It would be taken as a surprise. But that stage is over. That stage is over because our teams have started performing consistently. It does not mean that we have to be complacent. We have got to improve our game. We have got to improve our facilities. I am sure this is an occasion for me to talk that this is a place we owe everything to this place. I would be happier if this place and also a stadium at Jammu comes up with all good facilities. But I think 30-40 years back, this ground was better than what it is now. But I am sure things will move. हम अपने घर को अगर ठीक कर सकते हैं तो नेचुरली हमारी टीम भी आगे चलेगी. आने का मतलब ये था, इनफैक्ट we had received invitation from our station that the team has performed so well, and all the senior cricketers who have been associated with J&K, they should come and celebrate the day. That is the main objective of, and providing a chance to the journalists so that they can interact with us and get a feedback from. That is the main objective of the press conference. पहले ही अपने statement में कहा कि these things have always happened and will continue to happen. If you remember, there are teams who scored. I remember a test match where teams scored 580 in the first inning, and then towards the end they had to score 100 in the last inning to win the match. They lost the test match. Where we feel really sorry that such a thing happened, but this will continue to happen. If you remember, there's a last inning wicket. I remember there was a match between Pakistan and New Zealand where last wicket Bob Cunis and Brian Hastings, they scored something around 160 runs for the last. I'm not very sure about the number, but this happened and they lost the match. So we should maybe there have been lapses here and there. We could improve in catching and fielding. That's how we expect things to go in a direction. कहता हूँ मैं अपनी बात. How I look at cricket on the basis of my association with cricket. There was a time when we had to motivate people to play cricket. आज the basic difference is people have started taking it as a profession. You find parents coming with kids to the stadium and spending almost 5 to 6 hours with them every day. I remember we used to skip our schools and make sure that our parents don't see us going to cricket field. That is the main difference. That's the main difference now and then.
Sir, this is Sarosh from Network 18. My question is that, not that I'm being cynical about it, because I'm a cricket aficionado, so I want to understand. Association has been plagued with so many controversies. We are unable to generate world-class cricket players across Jammu and Kashmir, barring a few, जिस पे हम लोग we are riding on. Recently, Akib is there and Rasik and all. But then why aren't they sustaining in international cricket matches? Like we see people predominantly from Maharashtra, Punjab, and Delhi clubs. So why aren't we able to produce such?
I am so happy you have a question that touched my heart. I am reminded of a match that जब मैंने पहले बात की वेस्ट इंडीज़ और इंडिया के मैच की. I had the privilege of being, आप मेरे को पता नहीं, आप समझते होंगे ये कोई छोटा आदमी है एज के हिसाब से. I am 74 years old, शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. I was in charge of the ground with Pajnu Saab as my convener and Mr. Koyum as the grounds committee member थे हम. We prepared this wicket for West Indies and Indian match. मैं बिल्कुल वसू के साथ कहता हूँ कि तब जाके जब ये स्टेडियम 10-20 हमारे जो यहाँ ऑफिस बेयरर्स थे, they were very very influential people in the sense they were close to the higher ups in the association. They would get most of the things done on their professional lives, not because there was no money available, and with very very meager resources we managed to conduct 3 one-day matches. Huh? I think this is the tragedy that this place, which is a priceless piece of land for all of us, and I must salute all those people who have created this infrastructure for us. I tell you, the biggest contribution of our seniors is that they may not have paid us a lot of money by way of match money, but ये सबसे बड़ा हमारे लिए गिफ्ट ये है, और सबसे बड़ी खदमत होगी एसोसिएशन की। इस एसोसिएशन की सबसे बड़ी खदमत होगी अगर इस स्टेडियम को ये ठीक कर सकते हैं। और साथ ही साथ हमने जम्मू में भी एक आलीशान स्टेडियम होना चाहिए, नॉट ओनली प्रोविंशियल हेड स्टेडियम्स, हमारे हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में टर्फ विकेट्स होने चाहिए। दैट्स हाउ वी कैन सस्टेन दिस एंड हैव। आप देखिए कि आपके क्वालिटी में कोई परेशानी नहीं है। लुक एट आकिब, उससे परहैप्स 6-5 विकेट हॉल्स लिए। हाँ, ही इज नॉकिंग एट द डोर्स ऑफ इंडिया, बट we need to sustain and enhance his potential by providing facilities, by providing infrastructure and competitive cricket. Not only infrastructure, it's not only infrastructure that has helped people to grow, it is only the competitive cricket and your drive for the association, drive of the association will matter. मुझे लगता है कि इंशाल्लाह अब थोड़ा सा मैं अपनी बात कहूँगा कि हम क्रिकेटर जो यहाँ सारे बैठे हैं, चाहे मेरे से छोटे, बहुत सारे छोटे हैं मगर मुझसे ज़्यादा अच्छे क्रिकेटर रहे। आई हैड द प्रिविलेज ऑफ प्लेइंग विद परवेज़ अशरफ साहब, मुझे याद है, ही वॉज वन ऑफ द स्मार्टेस्ट क्रिकेटर जो हमारे थे। और परवेज़ साहब, इनकी तो बात ही नहीं है, मगर अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे याद है अशरफ साहब प्लेड फॉर इंडियन स्कूल्स, Ashraf Saab played for Indian schools. You see Shubham Khajuria. He was the first person to represent India. We were at the helm of affairs that time. But he kept his game on. Whatever little facilities were given to them, they took maximum advantage of that. मैं कहता हूँ, my hats off to these players. With very little cricket that we have been able to give, they have reached this stage. अगर हम थोड़ा सा और efforts करेंगे, which I am sure, अगर if cricketers manage this, मुझे नज़र आता है इंशाल्लाह कि हमारी टीमें और आगे जाएंगी। मैं आपके साथ ये मौका एक है, मैं आपके साथ दिल की बात करता हूँ। आई एम अ पर्सन हु रियली इंटरेक्ट्स, ज़्यादातर मैं दिल से ही बात करता हूँ, ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं हूँ। वो ये है कि जो आपने बात कही कि यहाँ क्रिकेट जो हमारे क्लब्स थे, बट मैं इस वक्त कोई अनप्लेजेंट बात नहीं करना चाहूँगा क्योंकि कुछ ऐसी चीज़ हो गई, थोड़ा सा क्रिकेट सफ़र हो गया। मुझे याद है हम सभी लोग इन्वॉल्व थे। देयर यूज्ड टू बी लीग मैचेस, देयर यूज्ड टू बी मेनी मैच, मगर कुछ ऐसे हालात भी हो गई कि हमारा स्टेडियम कोई 7-8 साल बंद ही रहा। मगर दैट डज नॉट मीन कि दैट वी कुड नॉट हैव डन बेटर। देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ स्कोप फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड विद इन केस आवर एसोसिएशन मैनेजेस टू organize tournaments at junior levels, not only tournaments, these coaching camps for smaller kids जो 10 साल के, 11 साल के, 12 साल, that's where you catch the talent.
आपने कहा कि स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट है।
आपकी एक बात से मेरे जहन में एक चीज़ बात आ गई कि यहाँ एक परेशानी हो गई है हमारे क्रिकेटर्स को। जो भी कोई हमारे सीनियर क्रिकेटर्स हैं, वंस वी गिव कोई असाइनमेंट देते हैं उनको, अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे आर नॉट एबल टू टेक दोज असाइनमेंट्स बिकॉज दे आर ऑन गवर्नमेंट रोल, वो गवर्नमेंट में काम करते हैं। आई रिमेंबर देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ टाइम वी वुड गिव स्पेशल लीव्स। मैं समझता हूँ कि गवर्नमेंट शुड रिलैक्स सम रूल्स एंड प्रोवाइड, जो आपके टॉप क्लास स्पोर्ट्समैन हैं, अगर ही कोई असाइनमेंट्स लेते हैं कोचिंग के, अंपायरिंग के, we expect that government should come forward and relax some rules so that our brilliant जो हमारे लोग हैं पीछे खड़े हैं, इतने सीनियर क्रिकेटर्स हैं, they can take up assignments and manage things better than ordinary people.
Sir, last question. After this tremendous performance, what are your expectations? How many players should Team India come?
Pardon? आप थोड़ा रिपीट कीजिए।
Performance.
देखिए बात सुनिए, देखिए मुझे लगता था ये मेरे साथ बैठा है समीउल्लाह, ही शुड हैव आल्सो प्लेड फॉर इंडिया. आई विल पास इट ऑन टू समीउल्लाह.
Assalamu alaikum. The question is very valid. I think this question should have been posed first because this is a rarity in J&K that we have dominated entire Ranji Trophy. It is not just we have reached quarterfinals, we have dominated, we have come back unbeaten. We have not lost a single game. Even in quarterfinals, it was decided based on first inning lead of 1 run. So a lot of players like Akib, Omar, Yudhvir, Shubham, they have touched their highs, and whatever feedback we are getting, selectors are looking into them very, very positively, and hopefully in coming days there will be eyes on them, and they will be asked to come to various camps, and we can hope very good things for all of them. Whosoever has performed up to quarterfinals always gets noticed. It is just then after that noticing how well that single person performs, and I hope कि जितने भी लोगों ने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है वो उसके आगे वाली लेवल्स भी पार करेंगे. You can expect better things to come inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.